How to earn 6 to 7 figures per year with affiliated marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn a commission by promoting the products or services of other companies. It's suitable for those with strong marketing skills who can effectively promote products to their audience. Pros: potential for high earnings if you choose the right products. No need to create or manage stock. Flexibility in promotion strategies. Cons: need for audience building and trust. Dependence on affiliate program policies which can change at any moment. Fluctuating income based on sales performance. How to start. First, choose a product. There are affiliate programs for pretty much every product. Amazon is one of the most popular, but remember that some product types offer far higher commissions than others. VPNs, website hosting, and supplements typically offer high, recurring commissions. The hardest part is getting your affiliate links in front of others. Creating a blog and generating traffic with SEO is a popular way to start, although this can be time-consuming and competitive. Other options include promoting products on social media, using paid ads, or writing posts on websites with an existing audience and including your affiliate links. Here's a model case study. Like, subscribe and turn on your notifications.